Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook professional mode if it's not showing. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, simple fix for this, okay, or how I did it, is that I just went to my Play Store, or if you have iPhone, okay, go to App Store, look for Facebook. Now, if there's an update button right here, please do update your app, okay? So just tap on update, wait for the process to finish. Now tap on it to open it up and turn it back on, okay? If that doesn't work, go ahead and find the app icon, okay? Tap and hold onto it if you're an Android user. If you're an iOS user, just go ahead and go to your settings, okay? Find Facebook and tap on offload data for iOS. And for Android, tap and hold again. Tap on the app info icon. Like so. Go ahead and go to storage. Now tap on clear cache first. Now tap on clear data. Okay. And once that's done, open up Facebook and it will require you to log back in. So just log back in. Now finally, if you don't know how to enable it, okay, you just go ahead over to the three horizontal lines right here at the top right. Now tap on settings and privacy. Tap on settings. Scroll all the way down until you find audience and visibility, and under that we have profile locking. Tap on it and just tap on unlock your profile at the top. Okay, there you have it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.